Are you looking to add your Wells Fargo card to Apple Pay? In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps of adding a Wells Fargo card to Apple Pay. I'll show you how to securely add your card on iPhone, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone, and then scroll down until you see an option called Wallet and Apple Pay. Once you find it, tap on it. After that, tap where it says Add Card. And then I'm going to select a debit or credit card. And then tap Continue at the bottom center of the screen. And now you can position your credit or debit card in the frame to scan it, or you can tap to enter credit card details manually. So now what you want to do next is enter the Wells Fargo card details and then tap Next at the top right corner of the screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.